Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, and I also love to share Temu hauls and other shopping experiences I have. So I'm glad you're here, and I would love it if you would hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. All those things help my channel, and I'm loving doing what I'm doing. And so anyway, with that being said, today I am sharing this is, I guess it's BoxyCharm still, but they have a new box. It says Ipsy on it. So I have a feeling BoxyCharm may just go away one of these days and just be Ipsy. But it says on the box, it's got Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Iconic Box, and Refreshments. Those are all the different subscriptions that they have. So this one's the BoxyCharm. And also, it's my second time filming this. I lost some videos. So anyway, I hope I get it right this time. So with all of that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so here it is. I already opened it. Like I said, I filmed it another time, but so they just put just a little bit of paper, and I did have some damage in some of my items. They were actually they were add-ons that I had a couple of damaged items in. So, and I'm gonna actually share my add-ons and some other things I got in the shop. I shopped 2 or 3 times this month out of the shop, so I'm going to share all those in a separate video. Trying to make my videos a little bit shorter. So if you want to shorten my videos, you can always speed up. I think you can still understand me if you speed it up a little bit. There's the little icon that with settings, and you can speed up the process. That's how I prefer to watch usually. So the first thing, it did come in a bubble wrapper, which I'm glad, but I'm going to share, the first thing I'm going to share is the power picks that Ipsy picked for me. And the first one, I'm going to get right to it. This one I was really excited about. I love palettes. This is the Ciate Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful palette. It's got, this is really my color scheme right here. It's got a lot of naturals, golds, like burgundy type color. I use all these colors. So that's what it looks like. It's a 24 palette. 24 different colors in here. So I'm really excited. Thank you, Ipsy, for picking this for me. I'm very happy with that one. The next one they picked for me is the Keys. The Keys, which is Alicia Keys' product. It is a moisturizer. Oh, you know what? I'm going to tell you, first of all, that eyeshadow palette, the Ciate London palette, was valued at $45. So pretty good value. It's not the bougiest eyeshadow palette, but I'm really happy with it. So this, the Keys moisturizer, I haven't tried anything by Keys yet, so kind of excited to do that. I need moisturizers, so that's always a good thing. So there's that. It's valued at $32. And it says this weightless formula packs a serious punch, offering both hydration and sun protection in one beauty step. This chemical sunscreen also features squalene and niacinamide, so you'll be on your way to soft and balanced skin while helping to keep those damaging UV rays. It does say it's a moisturizer, but it's got sunscreen in it, so it was a great product to receive in summer, and I'm excited to use it. I'm not going to open it up because it's sealed, but anyway, I will be giving this a try. So that was my second thing. So I'm going to post a picture here of what my choices were. It also has my Beauty Boost on it, which I changed out. So we'll have to wait till the end to get to my Beauty Boost. I'm really excited about it. So to be honest with you guys, I was not absolutely thrilled with my choices. I don't know. I've been a little disappointed. It seemed like I was happier with BoxyCharm, to be honest. It seems like we're getting a lot of the same brands. I want to see something new. A lot of the same products. Some of them overmixed. Some of them you can buy in the shop. So why do you want to pick it? You know, if they're, I don't know. It's just, there's just a lot to go through. But here is a list of my, the products that I was given to choose from. And there was reasons why I didn't pick certain things. I love lip products, so I could have picked the Lippy. I have too many. I mean, I have a lot of brow gels, and I already got a brow gel in my other bag. So, and I had some of these other products. So I decided this time, because my picks weren't my favorite, I decided to go with the most expensive product in each category. I just thought, let's just up the value of this box. So I went ahead and picked, let's see, you can see here, I picked the Skin Incorporated, let's see, the Skin Incorporated Vitamin ABC Serum. I love vitamin serums. They do well on my face. I like that it brightens the face. And so I was really happy with getting this anyway. So it, like I said, I didn't really love all the products, but this one is a good product. I know it's valued at $75. So any serum that's, you know, upwards of 50 usually is a pretty good thing. So there's that. I'm excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to go to my second choice. So here we go with my second choice category. Once again, there wasn't a lot that I have so many eye gels, like so many. Even though that product would have been great, I don't need eye gels. I wasn't too excited about the bronzer. Once again, I have lots of bronzers. I don't need another setting spray. I have too many to go through. And I already have eye masks. I wasn't too excited. There was only 4 sets. So that leaves the Ahava Mineral Mud Mask. That's what I picked. And once again, it was the most expensive product in the category, and it was valued at $68. So I'm not a real big mask fan, but I am starting to use them because I know they're good for your skin anyway. So I'm actually really excited about this. This one, it says indulge in the ultimate pampering experience with this nourishing mask that brings together the ancient beauty secrets of the Dead Sea mineral mud and 24 karat gold. This luxurious treatment will help leave your skin feeling smooth, firm, hydrated, and glowing in just 10 minutes. So I can handle that. Okay, so once again, it was a brow gel, a lip balm, a blush, what one was that? Another lip thing. Sponges. I don't need those. I have plenty. And this is a mask set, which I don't like those kind of masks. So this one I didn't pick the most expensive item because I had seen this Lucky Chick blush, and all the ones I had seen were really like light pink, and that's what I thought I was going to get, and instead I got, oh, this is weird, I got like a dark color, which I don't know, it's kind of orangey too. I'm not excited at all about the color. I was really, really bummed. In fact, bummed that I picked this if that's the color I was going to get. I thought I'd get, they were all like light, fun pinks, and that's what I like. So, I don't know. Anyway, I got this. This was only valued at $20, but I do like blush sticks. So, there's that. I'll probably try it unless someone has a light pink one they want to trade with me. We could do that. Okay, so that, yeah, it was valued at $20. So that was my third choice. And let's see here. You see that I picked this. Now, they showed my whole BoxyCharm thing here, but I didn't get a picture of it. But I went into, they had picked the First Aid Beauty for the my boost, and because I was into picking the most expensive product, and I've kind of wanted to try this. I've heard great. I mean, this is like a bougie product. So I got from Rodeo. I got the Dragon's Blood Serum. This was valued at $108, and I'm really excited about it. So this is what it looks like there, and you take off the lid, and there's like a pump on top. So here we go. See how the product comes out? I'm really excited about this. This feels really bougie to me. So put a little bit on the back of my hand here. It feels great. It's wet, you know, kind of like serums are, but it feels so good going in. And honestly, you guys, I think this hand looks younger already. So this is the highlight. Now I do have to spend an extra $15 for the boost, but to get a $108 product that I will use was pretty exciting. So overall, I can't complain about my box. The value was there. I did get some add-ons, but they you can see here in the picture that my value of the box is worth $468. So that's pretty amazing to have only spent 30, 45, and probably another 25 to 30 in add-ons. So, I mean, the value was incredible. So, I can't complain about that. So, anyway, that was my BoxyCharm. Once again, the Beauty Boost. I got the Skin Serum, the blush, the Lucky Chick blush, the Mineral Mud Mask, the Alicia Keys, and a fabulous eyeshadow palette. So those are my items. Can't complain. I'm going to say, even though I'm doing a different video with my add-ons, there was in, I can't remember which category it was now, but there was the Pores No More by Dr. Brandt. This is, you put it on your under eyes, and it's supposed to help with puffiness and discoloring and everything. And I have used it before, and I love this product. You can actually feel it in action when you put it on. So while I didn't pick it in my picks, I did go ahead and add this product on. So anyway, just thought I'd say that. So that's that. If you want to go check out my glam bag, I have that video also going up around the same time as this one. And then I'm also going to do my Boxy shop or Ipsy shop add-ons and other shop items I've purchased. That'll be another video. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of my box and how does it compare to your box if you received it. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And thank you for being here. And we will see you in the next one. All right, friends. See you later. Bye-bye.